Oh, okay. Excellent. Hayden, one place where we might get a leak. We might get a coolant leak, and we probably will get a fuel leak because that's a little bit too big, okay? I need to know about both of them. Don't bump or don't drop this off. Go away, moth. Go ahead. Don't let any of these touch. In fact, where's that electrical tape? Let's have that so I can make sure. The stupid moth, man, that needs to go away. It's like trying to catch me in the eye. They're gonna fight me in that moth.
I'm Kyler Grover.
And I'm Hayden Grover.
And I'm Dad Grover. And we've been working on this freaking truck all day. It's a little bit after midnight. We started at 8:30 this morning. And I hope we're finally ready to try to fire it for the first time. So guess what?
Let's go. Let's go.
So what we're gonna do is Kyler's gonna jump inside the truck. It's a brand new engine, so we have to break in the camshaft. This is the first one I've ever done anything with like this. Put the distributor in and everything. I hope I've got the timing right. We're gonna find out. We might have fireballs, we might not. We've had a ton of problems with carburetor. Every issue you can think of we've got, or we've had. Hayden's got a fire extinguisher. So Kyler's gonna jump in there. He's gonna try to start it. Once it hopefully starts, he's gonna run it up to 2,000 RPM and hold it there for a while. I'm gonna try to kind of get us a timing. I apparently don't have a timing light, so I'm just gonna use a vacuum gauge. It's an old school trick a guy told me. Basically what you do is you put the vacuum gauge on there, you run it at about 2,000 RPM, go up, adjust your adventure timing until you get maximum vacuum, and then back it off 1 inch pound or whatever vacuum's in, I can't remember. Anyway, and supposedly that sets your timing for elevation. I will be checking with the timing light when I get one, but it's the middle of the night and their places aren't open. So we're gonna break it in for about a half an hour, and then we'll shut it down. And there'll be a bunch of smoke and crap because all the paint's gonna be burning off, and hopefully there's no flames. If there is, then you can have the truck. Not even for sale, you can just have it because I'm over it. So let's go. We have oil, we have coolant, we have transmission fluid.
Yeah.
Those are our fluids. We have power steering fluid. Okay. Are you neutral?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn your key to the on position. In on position. Okay. Go ahead and bump it over real quick. Clutch to the floor. Clutch is on the floor. Go ahead and bump it. See if it lurches forward. Hayden, get out from the way of the wheels.
I'm over here. What?
Go ahead and hit the starter. See if the truck lurches forward.
It's over.
You're cranking it? Let it go. What do we do? Okay, ready? Go ahead, crank it over.
Nope. It's over.
Stop. What did we do wrong?
Started on working on this truck.
Want me to release the clutch?
Hmm?
Want me to turn it off and release the clutch?
Give me a second. Oh, it's because this can't be, or isn't grounded probably. Yep, that's why. Turn the key off. Hayden, grab me a piece of wire out of there, a great big heavy duty one, out of that bottom drawer. This starter solenoid has to be grounded. It's not currently grounded. Normally it's mounted to the side of the inner fender. So what we're gonna do is wrap a wire around it and run it up to our negative terminal. Ground it. We've appropriately rigged this together the wrong way. And now, Kyler, what you're gonna do, you're in neutral. Let the clutch out. Everybody out of the way of the wheels.
Yeah.
Just barely bump it and see if it lurches forward. Whoa! I meant like deep. Okay, so that's good. We're neutral clutch. Okay. Now, I got spare hose everywhere. Okay, go ahead and crank it. I'm gonna be watching for fuel. As soon as I say stop or put my hand up, that means stop, okay? So, go ahead and crank. No fuel yet.
I think I see a leak.
Where?
Right there. Either right there or right there.
I don't see any active leak.
That's probably from the
Those look old. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Go ahead. Huh?
I didn't have the.
Oh, that would be bad. Yeah, get it that way. Go ahead. Keep going. I might have to charge this freaking battery, man.
One of the Bronco work?
Probably not. It's one of those Optimas. Don't buy Optima batteries, they are junk.
Or one of
Crank
those
it again.
It's your one. You're an airplane like this.
Yeah, it sounds like a spark plug. You sure you got those tight? Like, good? Okay. Let's get the battery charger on it. And charge it for a minute. So what we have going on is that whole fuel line was empty and that tank was all the way empty. And so we put fuel in the tank, but now it's having to pull it all the way up and it's gonna take a little while before it gets up here. Okay, we're switching to a marine battery from a boat. We'll see if that works while the other one charges. Ready? Start cranking. Now we're getting fuel, see it? Cool. Hoo-wee!
It's gonna start.
Okay, we might get a big fireball out of here, okay? Just so you guys are aware. You have to have that on. Is it on? Don't forget that no more. Okay, so pretty soon here we're gonna have either fireball and excitement or running truck, okay? So when we get running truck, I got things to do. We'll get running truck and then I'll go like this and then you bring it up to 2,000, okay?
I'm putting that right there.
Huh?
Do I let go of the clutch when I do that? Like bring it up to $2,000, let go of the clutch?
Before you bring it up to 2,000, slowly let go of the clutch, see if it makes any stupid noises. If it doesn't, go ahead and let go of the clutch and hold the brake and bring it up. Where? Okay. Okay, Kyler, go ahead and crank. Whoa. You got a leak. Okay, kill switch is out. Okay, crank.
Clutch.
Clutch, yeah, crank it. Hold on, wait for it to stop all the way. Go ahead. Huh?
Do I need to hold it a little longer?
No, you're doing just right.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Hold on. Huh?
It wasn't going up.
Not at all?
No. It runs, go!
Kinda, huh? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's light it up again.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, sit.
I think it's probably going to be fine, but just to be safe, we'll put this one.
Got a flame job, right on line, right on the floor. Got a built 460 and it's supercharged, 12 inches of lift, large and in charge. Keep my cowboy hat tilted to the side. Country thug giving him a hell of a ride. Now you see me fly by, got the 44 spinning, mud flipping, cow tipping.